Hey there! Are you in the glass manufacturing industry? You won't want to miss this. Limestone grinding is a game changer for glass production. And we've got the perfect equipment to make it happen. Imagine smoother, faster, and more efficient grinding. That's what our machines deliver. No more downtime. No more wasted energy. Just pure performance. Our limestone grinders are built to last. They handle tough materials with ease. Plus, they're designed for precision. You get consistent particle size every time. That means better quality glass. And who doesn't want that? Whether you're making bottles, windows, or specialty glass, our grinders are up to the task. They're easy to operate too. Minimal training required. And maintenance? A breeze. Save time. Save money. Boost your output. It's a win-win. Don't settle for outdated equipment. Upgrade to our high-efficiency limestone grinders today. Your production line will thank you. Ready to take your glass manufacturing to the next level? Contact us now. Let's make it happen.